Hi friends, we all know that 1 equal to 1. But what if 1 equal to 2? At first glance, this statement seems odd, even impossible. However, we can attempt to show that 1 equal to 2 by using a common example from complex numbers. This is known as a mathematical fallacy, where an error in reasoning leads to a seemingly valid but incorrect result. Please look at the description of this video for more similar videos. In this video, we will present a fallacious proof of 1 equal to 2. Pause the video if you would like to give it a try. Please subscribe to Math 1089. Now, here is our example. We all know that minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by minus 1 because each of the left hand side and right hand side is equal to minus 1. And minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That is always true. Taking the square root of both sides, we get the square root of minus 1 by 1 is equal to square root of 1 by minus 1. Now, applying the formula, the square root of a by b equal to square root of a by square root of b, we can write second line as square root of minus 1 by square root of 1 equal to square root of 1 by square root of minus 1. Applying the cross multiplication, we find that square root of minus 1 into square root of minus 1 equal to square root of 1 into square root of 1. We know that root of x into root of x is equal to x, and applying the formula, the left hand side is equal to minus 1 and the right hand side is equal to 1. Therefore, we obtain minus 1 is equal to 1. That is the simplified result. Now, with this result, we can divide both the sides by 2. Thereby, minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, adding 3 by 2 to the both sides, we find minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. A little bit of simplification gives us 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 because 2 is the LCM. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, so 2 by 2 is the left hand side, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, so 4 by 2 is the right hand side, and ultimately cancelling, we get 1 is equal to 2, which is the required result. Of course, 1 is equal to 2 is not possible, at least in mathematics. So where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Now, if we look into the so-called proof of ours, while we are moving from step number 2 to step number 3, we applied one formula that square root of a by b equal to square root of a by square root of b. But actually, that is true when both a and b are more than 0. When both a and b are more than 0. Here, if we take a as minus 1 and b as 1, then definitely a equal to minus 1 is not more than 0. Hence, the result root of a by b equal to square root of a by square root of b is not valid, and hence we get the erroneous result that 1 is equal to 2. So therefore, the mistake while we are transiting from line number 2 to line number 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter.